Let's talk about investing in shopping malls, in particular shopping malls in the United States, the country with the strongest consumer base around the world. The REIT that I'm talking about today is none other than United Hampshire US REIT, which owns over 20 retail properties and 2 self-storage space across the US. Now, based on what I've seen, do I think that United Hampshire is worth considering as a potential investment? The answer to the question is yes, but investors will need to watch out for a few things. Let me explain. As to why I think United Hampshire is worth investing and why I have personally invested in it, firstly, the operations and performance have been very stable since they were listed back in 2020, and their current dividend yield is very attractive given how beaten down their share price is, having dropped over 40% since their peak. Secondly, though unproven, the management's recent capital recycling effort has been rather successful. And lastly, United Hampshire properties are largely leased to tenants who are grocery and necessity service providers, which will provide higher stability in rental income as compared to other retail tenants that provides discretionary products and services. That being said, investors who are thinking of investing in United Hampshire to enhance their income yield should watch out for the following points. Firstly, the balance sheet health of United Hampshire had deteriorated over the years, largely as a result of the higher interest rate environment and higher borrowing costs. That being said, it is unlikely that it is going to worsen further as there is no refinancing requirement until the November of 2026. Secondly, United Hampshire properties are quite aged as they are largely completed from 1970s to 1990s. Now this means that the property may require more asset enhancement initiatives to ensure that they remain attractive and competitive to shoppers. Lastly, as the counter is very illiquid, investors should be careful of their position size to avoid having trouble liquidating their positions in the future. All things considered, I think that United Hampshire is worth considering if you are looking for a depressed, well-performing REIT to improve your income yield. However, investors will need to manage their risk and exposure carefully to avoid getting screwed by uncontrollable and unexpected market risk. If you want to read my full analysis, you could access the report on my Telegram channel, where I'll go in depth on the fundamentals of United Hampshire US REIT, my analysis and my opinion on it as a potential investment to consider. You can access my Telegram channel through my website, the link will be in my bio. In 2024, I aim to analyze every single listed REIT on the Singapore Exchange. So if you find this type of content interesting or useful, do follow my account and stay updated with my weekly uploads.